Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you the type that doesn't like using palm oil all the time to make your soup? Come closer, let me show you the soup that you can make without palm oil. It's called Nsala soup or white soup. This soup originated from the eastern part of Nigeria. I'll be using chicken as my protein to prepare this soup. You can use any meat of your choice. You can use assorted, you can use beef, but I prefer to use chicken at this particular time. You will also be needing Irish potatoes as thickener. So the first thing you have to do is to boil the Irish potatoes and blend it. Once your meat is ready, just go in with the Irish potatoes. Cover and allow that to boil so that the Irish potato can dissolve in the soup. So the next thing I added was uziza leaf. There is no white soup to me without uziza leaf, even the uziza seed powder. So I added my crayfish and dry pepper. I'm not using fresh pepper for this recipe. I stayed to combine, covered, and allowed that to cook for just a few minutes. And the soup is ready. I think this is one of the simplest soup you can ever prepare. Honestly speaking, it doesn't take time, and this is me enjoying my soup. Hey guys, have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't done so, please do. It's free. Also like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.